In the teachings of Buddhism, specific guidelines on diet and behavior are emphasized to help individuals live virtuously and attain a state of inner peace. A particularly enlightening story involves fully ordained monk, a devoted practitioner, whom the Buddha instructs on the profound impact of eating habits on one's spiritual journey. This narrative illustrates how certain eating practices and behaviors can lead a person astray, transforming them into a Mara, a symbol of darkness and spiritual disorientation. Firstly, the Buddha highlights the inevitability of eating for those embodied in the physical realm, known as the fourfold body. However, the manner in which one consumes food significantly influences both physical health and mental well-being. According to Buddhist philosophy, eating can be categorized into three main aspects. The first is the balance of yin and yang in one's diet. Maintaining this balance ensures physical health and mental stability. An excess of yang in one's diet can lead to an overactive imagination and mental disturbances, causing a person to deviate from a clear and focused mind. Conversely, an excess of yin can result in excessive talk about others' fortunes and misfortunes, fostering dependency, begging, and even servitude to others. Such imbalances disrupt both physical harmony and mental clarity, hindering the pursuit of spiritual tranquility. Secondly, the type of food consumed plays a crucial role in shaping one's temperament and spiritual state. The Buddha distinctly differentiates between plant-based and animal-based diets. Individuals who primarily consume plant-based foods tend to develop a gentle and serene mindset, facilitating the attainment of a tranquil and peaceful state of mind. On the other hand, those who frequently consume animal products may become irritable, argumentative, and competitive. This shift in temperament not only affects personal well-being, but also complicates the practice of any spiritual discipline, making the path to enlightenment more arduous. Furthermore, the Buddha delves into the karmic implications of consuming animal flesh. He explains that animals possess not only physical bodies, but also the capacity to see, hear, speak, and think. Despite their sentient nature, animals are often trapped in lives of suffering due to karmic retribution and cannot express their thoughts or feelings. When humans consume the meat of these animals, they inadvertently absorb the animal's residual anger and desire for revenge. This act of consumption binds humans to negative karma, with each act of eating meat intensifying the karmic consequences. The more meat one consumes, the greater the accumulation of negative karma, leading to severe repercussions for the individual who harms and consumes other living beings. The Buddha further elucidates the specific eating practices that can lead an individual to become a Mara. Those who aspire to such dark transformations engage in the consumption of live animals, drink their blood, and prefer large and formidable creatures. These dietary choices foster a deep connection with violence and darkness, steering individuals away from the path of enlightenment and towards cruelty and malevolence. Such practices cultivate a mindset that glorifies domination and aggression, effectively severing the individual's ties to spiritual growth and moral integrity. In addition to dietary habits, the Buddha addresses the psychological and behavioral traits of those who seek to become Mara. These individuals exhibit a persistent desire to undermine others, elevate their own egos, and compel others to acknowledge their perceived superiority. They harbor feelings of hatred, jealousy, and an insatiable need for recognition, often demanding worship and obedience from those around them. This toxic combination of behavior and mindset perpetuates a cycle of dominance and control, further entrenching the individual in a state of darkness and spiritual misguidance. In conclusion, the journey to becoming a Mara is marked by three critical mistakes: consuming live and blood-rich animal foods, indulging in potent and aggressive substances, and adopting domineering and oppressive behaviors. These actions collectively lead to a profound transformation of consciousness, anchoring individuals in darkness and spiritual confusion. Eastern philosophy, particularly through Buddhist teachings, underscores the importance of mindful eating and righteous behavior as foundational elements for achieving peace and enlightenment. By recognizing and rectifying these dietary and behavioral mistakes, individuals can navigate their lives toward harmony, inner peace, and spiritual fulfillment. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please continue to follow and support us. See you in the next video.